Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make quiche without crust. First, you'll want to prepare your baking dish. Grease it well to prevent sticking. Next, whisk together your eggs and milk or cream to create the rich, custardy base. Then, simply add in your desired fillings, such as shredded cheese, cooked vegetables, or meats. This method is incredibly simple and delivers a delicious, satisfying meal every time. For a perfect crustless quiche, start with 4 large eggs. These form the foundation of your creamy custard. Next, you'll need 1 1/2 cups of milk or cream. Whole milk or half and half works wonderfully for richness. Don't forget about 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like Gruyere or cheddar, to add incredible flavor and texture. These proportions ensure a balanced and delicious result. Once your ingredients are combined, pour the mixture into your prepared dish. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. After baking, let your quiche cool for at least 10 minutes. This allows it to set properly, making for easier and more beautiful slices. The beauty of crustless quiche is its versatility. Feel free to experiment with different vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, or bell peppers, and cooked meats such as ham or bacon. Fresh herbs like chives or thyme, along with a pinch of nutmeg, can elevate the flavor profile significantly. Don't be afraid to get creative and make it your own. Also, if you love to read, check out the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.